Welcome back to Ask Nikki. So, to today's sounds, which we will make, is letter S. It sounds like S. Let's take the letter S in our hands and let's say it together. S. How the articulation is done? Close your teeth together and just try to blow the wind outside. S. S. Do it again. S. S. How the snake says. S. How the snake says. S. S. Now let's try some words with the S. 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 Si. Si. Su. Su. Some sound with letter S. Sun. Sun. Sam. Sam. Sat. Always try to make CBC words. Don't try to make bigger words because kids usually get confused when they need to do the blending. So like sun, sat, sam, see. Easy peasy. Try it again and let me know how it goes with you. Don't forget to share and like and subscribe. Thank you very much.